All right, guys, we are back. It is cooking segment time, man, and we are at one of my spots. The hours are different, but the place is still the same. Harborside Bar and Grill. We're right here on the deck, right in front of 17 beautiful boat slips that Bobby's going to explain to us in a minute. You can get seated right there in the boat and served every single thing that's on the menu.
Yes, sir.
Dude, it's been a while, so I'm coming in.
It's great to see you. It's good to get a hug
Great
again,
to see you, man. Yes, it is.
Post-pandemic
it is.
Harborside.
Oh,
yes, sir.
God. That was what I'm not even going to talk about it anymore. It's a joke, but we're coming out of it.
We are.
Still a couple people that want to keep their toe dipped in, but right now, most everything's cleared up.
Yeah.
Too much so, actually, because now people are short-staffed around town, supplies are low, places, things like that. People are starting to catch up, so you got to adjust your hours, that sort of thing. What's up here at Harborside?
Well, I think everybody's struggling, and we are too.
Yep.
You know what I mean? We're short-staffed. We're open. The suppliers are struggling to keep up because everybody's so busy.
Yeah.
They just can't keep up with all the orders.
Yeah, understood.
You know? And we're even busier
be
now
patient. Be patient when you come over.
be patient, man. Tip your servers, bartenders. You know,
and I find most people are.
Sit back and have a drink and relax.
That's right.
You know, plus the fact we got 17 finger piers here,
Ready to roll.
17 floating tables. We got fully staffed servers to get anything you need out here. So it just makes it even busier.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You scowled when you said
Not that we need it. It's cool. It's cool. Though. Yeah,
and it's a great service for the people, man. It's a great service for the people. So pull up in your boat, and a waiter or waitress comes.
Everybody
right to
who
you.
knows, who's been here, they see what it looks like on a daily, especially on a Sunday out here on these.
You can't even find a spot in the boat slips either.
Yeah.
So what we're going to show folks is some of the awesome food that is still available here at Harborside, and you got a mac salad already set up here. It looks like you're putting something even more dandy on top of it.
Yeah, man, we're going to put some seared scallops on top of it. It's on the menu. It's called the Serendipity salad. It's basically just a giant garden salad with some onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, some killer blue cheese, our house vinaigrette, which is basically a honey orange juice.
That's delicious.
Vinaigrette.
Yeah.
I mean, we are home of the original fresh squeezed orange crust. We got
often imitated,
never duplicated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's only taken 10 years, but we got it.
You got it right.
Yeah.
First try.
Yeah, we top it with a little bit of that, and it's light fare, it's easy, and it's something you guys can just make at home if you want.
Also,
you know?
my mom will appreciate this. Super carb friendly.
Yes.
Yeah. Low carb people are going to enjoy this one.
So
let's go.
Basically, what we got here is a roasted red pepper seasoning. It's very good. It's got a little saltiness to it. You know what I mean? A little garlic, a little red pepper.
You hooked me up with some of this. I have it at my house, and it's insane for these.
Got it?
Oh, it's insane for these.
Good, right?
Yeah.
So it comes with 5 scallops on your salad, but I'm gonna do 6 just to hook you up.
Dave's here, so he's gonna enjoy that too.
Ready?
We're gonna let's listen.
Yeah. You got a little bit of a sear going on there.
Yeah.
So basically, all we're doing is searing them off. You know what I mean? You don't want to cook them through because they start to get tough.
Yeah. Once it gets about halfway through on the one side, you'll have a nice sear. That white will start to creep up and won't be as opaque. You flip them over, do the same thing so that the white meets, and you're done.
Depends on how you like them. I mean, I can eat them raw, but that's just me.
That's true too.
You know, I mean, I don't sear them too much for me, but we can cook it for a little bit of time here.
Yep.
All right, man. Well, these are seared off and ready to go, buddy.
Okay.
See a nice little crust on top.
Looks good.
You know what I mean? We'll pull it off of there a little bit. Grab our giant salad. I'm gonna save one of these for you.
Dude. That is giant.
So, just take the scallops.
Look at that.
Set them on there real pretty, like, you know.
I love that blue cheese crumble on there too.
They will put that right on top
there's
for you.
one extra one that goes in the middle. That's just for me, so don't get greedy. There's 5. Come on, salad.
This is for you also.
Oh my God.
I know how we like to go down here, but you might want to give that just a second.
Oh, I'm giving them more than just a second. So go ahead and tell the lovely folks what the hours are here. The hours are different, so don't come in here expecting the late night stuff that you used to at Harborside. They just can't do it, man. There's not enough staff to go around town right now. So late night bar crowd, find someplace else to go. But dinner crowd, you're here until when?
9 on weekdays, 10 on weekends.
Beautiful stuff. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat a piece of this first.
Yeah.
I'll cool me down. Nice cucumber.
Well, you're gonna need it. They're a little hot just yet.
Then we're going
you know?
hot.
That's all right, man. You don't have to eat it. I mean, it just
no.
looks good sitting there.
I do have to eat it. Look at this. Not too bad. Oh my God.
What's up, man? What's up?
Oh my God.
Hey.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I mean, come on, man.
Oh my word, bro.
All right, that's killer.
That
Dude.
roasted red pepper, I'm going for another one.
Yeah, right.
Folks, right here, West Ocean City. I don't say across the street from the Hooked on OC Studios anymore. That's up the road. But it is right down the street from Pure Lures Brand House, right across the street from Sunset Marina, right on the commercial harbor. You will not have a bad bite of food in this place. I guarantee it. That is delicious.
Yeah, it's golden right there.
See you
brother.
after the break. Good Lord.